What up, everybody? In this video, I am going to be putting in a inventory screen that is not in the battle, so we can check potion counts and everything before we go into our battle. And I want to go over, like, I had to go back and redo some of this because I was trying to implement a save and load function for the game. So when we level up and we collect keys and open doors and etc., I want to be able to save and load that data again. And I spent way too much time trying to get this to work, and it kind of worked, but this is kind of what it looked like. I call it's a fail because it works, but it doesn't. This long dictionary I was trying to save with my save function I looked up. It just basically puts it into a folder and then dumps it in there, and it's supposed to grab that, but I don't know how to, I guess, call the updated functions. All it does is just kind of sit there and it doesn't work very well. And it was just, it was pretty frustrating to say the least. So, um, but anyways, we're gonna put that on the back burner for now. I got the game to a working-ish state again, just not being able to save. So I still have our ladder. I still have our people that talk. So that is all good again, and everything like that. And now we are back to a state where it changes the numbers and everything. So that is good. And if we should now be at level 2. No, but we did get 20 experience points instead of 0. So that is working as well. But like I said, I want to be able to check how many potions we have in our inventory or our items before we go into the battle. So let's just go ahead and show off a little bit more of the game. Uh, so my idea, I am going to go ahead and create, I think just change up the way I do the stats menu and just make it so it's not true or false, but a value, so I can switch between uh, inventory or character menu or whatever, and just make that a little bit more dynamic. So let's go ahead and jump into the code. And what I need to do first is I'm pretty sure I need to take this self C menu and take it from being false and putting it to none. So, and now C, and instead of C self menu is going to be stats. Let's just put C stats just in case. I really don't want it messing um, with any of that. We can still leave ourselves playing as true. Um, Now we just need to modify this a little. Um, let's try is not none. And now we'll go if self dot c menu equals c stats, and then we're gonna go this. Yes. And then we'll go elif self dot c menu is equal to uh inventory. Let's just spill it all the way out. I'm really hoping this isn't going to mess with anything. Just for now, to see if it is working, let's go ahead and go self.screen.fill in. You know what? Let's do brown. Let's go brown. So, okay. And then the last thing we need to do is put a button command to that. So, I'm going to go if keys and pygame dot. Remember, I want to make this I, the letter I. We're going to make self dot C menu equal inventory, and then we gotta go self dot playing is false. Let's hope we didn't break the game, because I've been pretty good at that lately. So we still have our inventory and back, and then our item screen, and then back. Oh, okay. So I think it's because, wait, why didn't it work on my inventory? It worked on the character screen. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's, what did I do differently? Why? Um, hmm. What? Let's do that one more time. Hold up. Okay, so C and then escape. But where is, oh, is that in my, show stats? No. Oh, I'm a little confused now. Why is my exit, so what I'm confused about is my escape button is working for one, but not the other. And I remember changing it, but now I'm not 100% sure. It's not battles. I know it's not. It's not ladder, and it's not my potions. Um, I'm sure this is going to be take a little bit more work. So, and on my bids, it's got to be here somewhere. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay. So, okay, I think what we need to do is just pull this completely out like so, and then we're going to put none. We're just going to see if this works. I knew it was somewhere. I just couldn't remember where, and it was hiding underneath this little if statement. What a sneaky little guy. Okay, now hopefully we didn't break both of them. Okay. Okay. What was that? Hmm. It. That's crazy. It works. It's a little buggy, but this is my first kind of big game. So, bigger game, I should say. It's got a lot more mechanics than the other Square Turtle game that I created, which maybe one of these days I'll just go back and just throw up a quick video of both kind of preview the games instead of all this code, which I'm sure isn't very interesting to some of you, but I enjoy it a lot, and hopefully you can just kind of watch the videos to, I don't know, hang out, have fun, maybe learn something. Maybe I can start leaving links into how I got into this like how I got Visual Studio Code. Um, it's kind of a weird story how I chose Python in general. It was just kind of luck that it landed in my lap, and then one thing led to another. I actually started with a lot of text adventure first before I even got into Pygame. So that probably helped transition, but it's just a lot of fun. So anyways, let's get back to doing this. Where were we? Inventory and false. So here we go. That's working. Um, I think we can go ahead and just go txt dot what am I looking for? Potion quantity. I don't know if I've potion. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, txt is getting. I forgot to import that. So let's fix that really fast. Import tx text. This one right here. I can't get that as txt. Okay. Um, I don't know if that's gonna cause problems or not. Actually, shift stats. I don't know. It's I don't remember what kind of error it is. It's like a circular loop. Like too many things are calling from the same module, and it just gets all sorts of confused. And there's like, I don't exactly not, but I want to see because this is under false, and then the battling has um yeah its own thing, so it should be okay. So self dot screen player is pm dot whoa not pending pm dot josh e, and then the potions, something like that, I guess. Let's just see what that's gonna look like. Well, I guess it didn't bring up any errors, so I think it should be okay. I really hope that's not gonna come back and bite me in the butt later. All right, well, that's there. That works. Um, we might throw this all into its own little function later, but I also is do I have this walls loaded? I don't. I might just need to make this a function. I kind of want to put pictures in front of it. Um, but maybe I won't do that right now. Maybe I'll just go ahead and write like the other potion quantities. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. Potion mana quantity. I guess it would just be the same thing pretty much. We might just go ahead and copy some of this to save some typing. Um, don't want health inventory. I'm pretty sure we need mana inventory, and then the top left, we want it underneath, so we kind of want the X and then the Y, so we'll just do the Y a little bit different. So we'll just put that at 200 because the box is going to be 100 pixels, I'm sure. So just to see if we can keep going, text dot mana quantity, and then once again just self dot screen, and then PM dot Josh B, and then my potions. I really hope that, like I said, this doesn't run into counter like issues with each other later on the line, but I guess we will learn. Oh, it just says quantity 5. Maybe I didn't realize that before. That's because that's right. I was going to put pictures there, but maybe um oh no. Okay, so I don't know if I really want to mess with this one too much because that's already in my battle, but I can go ahead and maybe we can just go like this and cheat and just make a second one just so we can. All right, and then we're gonna go to um yeah, because we want to go right here. We want to go healing quantity, and then back under here we need to go potion quantity 2. And I will run this. There we go. So we got healing quantity, mana quantity. Before I end the video, the other potions I have in there, we'll go up here. So we need one for the greater mana, greater healing, a revive. So basically just a revive, greater healing, and greater mana. So we're just going to do a lot of copying and pasting pretty much, and we're going to change some words and we're going to call it good. So that would be revive, and then we'll go greater mana or healing, and then the other greater. So this one is going to be whoops, that looks all sorts of goofy. So this one will just be revive, and then revive. Pretty sure is what I have it called. I really don't want to mess with many errors. Revive inventory. And then, yeah. Okay, so it is revive inv. And let's go ahead and save some more typing and just copy and paste that. Revive. And then this one. And then instead of mana, we're going to go greater healing. And then greater mana. And then what one was that called? I just need to add a greater. Greater. Okay. So we need to go. Let's reposition this to 150, and then that can be 200. This will be 250, and then we'll make this one 300. Okay, that looks good to me. Now the last thing we need to do is just finish calling rest of these. So we want our revive quantity. We're just going to go ahead and copy and paste this section of this so you don't have to type that every time. So txt dot what was it, greater? Uh-oh, did I forget to rename them? I did. This one is G healing. And then G mana. Okay. So we got G healing quantity. And then txt dot G mana quantity. And we're just going to say add to user settings. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Those are really close together. That's kind of nice, but I do want a little bit of space. So I need to go just put a bunch of 5s. And then that should just give it that much more space between them. Oh, that might not work like I want it to. Crap. So 5 more pixels. So this one is gonna be 10 more pixels. 65 and I guess 25, whatever. All right, that hopefully that spaces them out, makes it a little easier to read. No, but that is probably where I'm going to end my video. Um, I'm going to be continuing to think on like what I want to add for the storyline next. Unfortunately, we have to put that save and load function in the background. But thanks for watching or listening and supporting. It really helps. This is just a lot of fun. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.